Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're diving deep into a crucial health topic, blood sugar levels. High blood sugar can be a silent threat, leading to serious health issues like diabetes. To help you stay informed and proactive, we're revealing 30 alarming signs that your blood sugar might be too high. Along with hidden diabetes symptoms you should never ignore. From frequent urination to unexplained weight loss, blurred vision, and nerve problems, we cover a comprehensive list of symptoms that could indicate elevated blood sugar levels. We'll explain each symptom in simple, relatable terms, making it easy for you to understand what your body might be trying to tell you. 30. Increased thirst. Feeling like a parched desert cactus? Your body might be shouting, "Hey, check your sugar levels!" This isn't your regular post-workout thirst. It's like trying to quench your thirst with a leaky straw. Your body loses more fluids, making you crave more water. Constant thirst can be incredibly frustrating, leading to dry mouth and chapped lips. 29. Dry mouth. Dry mouth, our number 29 symptom, might seem like no big deal, but it could be a sign that your blood sugar levels are turning your body into a dehydrated desert. High glucose levels can reduce saliva production, leaving your mouth feeling like the Sahara. Dry mouth can also lead to bad breath and dental issues. 28. Stomach problems. High blood sugar can throw your digestive system for a loop, causing issues like abdominal pain, diarrhea, and even vomiting. It's like a roller coaster ride for your stomach, with twists and turns you never signed up for. So if your gut is acting up, it might be worth checking those blood sugar levels. 27. Increased hunger. Increased hunger could be your body's way of trying to compensate for high blood sugar levels by demanding more fuel. Your cells aren't getting the glucose they need, so your brain thinks you're starving and sends out hunger signals, turning you into an unstoppable snack machine. This can lead to overeating and further complicate blood sugar management. 26. Darkened skin patches. Darkened skin patches, particularly around the neck or armpits, can be a sign of insulin resistance, which often accompanies high blood sugar. These patches, known as acanthosis nigricans, can be an early warning sign of diabetes. 25. Poor sleep quality. High blood sugar can interfere with your sleep, causing you to wake up frequently during the night. This can lead to poor sleep quality and daytime drowsiness. Consistently poor sleep can affect your overall health and well-being. 24. Slow wound healing. Slow wound healing, our 24th symptom, is one to watch out for. If cuts and bruises are taking their sweet time to heal, elevated blood sugar levels might be the culprit, disrupting your body's repair crew. Your blood flow is hindered, and your immune response is slower, leaving those wounds lingering. This can increase the risk of infections and complications. 23. Frequent urination. If you're suddenly best friends with your bathroom, it could be because your blood sugar levels are throwing a party. Imagine this. Your kidneys are working overtime, trying to flush out all that extra sugar. It's like running a marathon, not on the track, but to the bathroom. Frequent urination can disrupt your daily activities and even your sleep, leaving you feeling tired and annoyed. 22. Skin changes. Is your skin acting up like a rebellious teenager? High blood sugars turning your epidermis into a canvas for abstract art, with patches and blemishes popping up like unwanted graffiti. It's like your skin's staging a protest, demanding attention like a diva on opening night. So let's give your skin the TLC it deserves and show those blood sugar levels who's boss. 21. Fatigue. Fatigue, our 21st symptom, is the ultimate party pooper. If you're feeling more exhausted than a sloth on a lazy Sunday, it's time to take note. High blood sugar can mess with your energy levels, making you feel like you're running on empty all the time. This constant fatigue can make it hard to concentrate and perform daily tasks, impacting your quality of life. 20. Frequent colds and infections. More colds than a polar bear in Antarctica? High blood sugars throwing a wrench in your immune system's party plans, leaving you feeling more under the weather than a meteorologist on a stormy day. It's like your body's become a revolving door for germs, with viruses and bacteria lining up for a chance to crash the party. So let's beef up that immune system and send those unwelcome guests packing. 19. Mood swings. Feeling more volatile than a shaken soda can? High blood sugars turning your emotions into a roller coaster ride, with ups and downs that leave you feeling more off balance than a unicycle on a tightrope. It's like your mood's taken on a life of its own, with you struggling to keep up like a parent chasing after a hyperactive toddler. So let's rein in those emotions and show mood swings who's boss. 18. Unexplained weight loss. Dropping pounds without even trying? Your metabolism might be on a roller coaster thanks to high blood sugar. Your body can't use the glucose for energy, so it starts burning fat and muscle instead, leaving you lighter but not in a good way. This kind of weight loss can weaken your muscles and immune system, making you feel frail. 17. Recurrent infections. Recurrent infections, our 17th symptom, are like that unwanted guest who just won't leave. Frequent infections could mean high blood sugar is crashing your immune system's party. Yeast infections, urinary tract infections, and gum infections can all become regular, uninvited guests. These infections can be painful and disruptive, requiring frequent medical attention. 16. Speech difficulties. Having trouble speaking clearly all of a sudden? It could be a sign that blocked arteries are restricting blood flow to your brain. This condition, known as an ischemic stroke, is no joke. If you experience slurred speech or difficulty forming words, don't wait around. Get medical help immediately. Your health is too important to ignore. 15. Headaches. Pounding headaches making you feel like your skull's about to split open? High blood sugar is playing the role of the headache hijacker, turning your head into a pressure cooker ready to blow. It's like your brain's staging a protest, demanding relief like a toddler throwing a tantrum. So let's take a stand against these headaches and show those blood sugar levels who's boss. 14. Blurred vision. If the world's gone fuzzy and it's not your internet connection, high blood sugar could be messing with your peepers. Excess sugar can cause the lens in your eye to swell, making it harder to see clearly. Over time, this can lead to more serious eye problems like diabetic retinopathy. 13. Nerve problems. High blood sugar can wreak havoc on your nervous system, leading to symptoms like burning, tingling, or numbness, especially in your hands and feet. It's like your nerves are sending out emergency signals, warning you to address those blood sugar levels before further damage occurs. Over time, this can lead to more serious conditions like diabetic neuropathy. 12. Itchy skin. Itchy skin can be a subtle sign of high blood sugar. This can be due to dry skin or poor circulation, both of which are associated with diabetes. Persistent itching can be annoying and disruptive. 11. Tingling or numbness in hands or feet. Tingling or numbness in your hands or feet could be a sign that high blood sugar is playing a mean trick on your nerves. This pesky sensation, known as neuropathy, can feel like pins and needles and is a result of sugar damaging your nerves. This can progress to more severe nerve damage if left untreated. 10. Increased heart rate. Is your heart beating faster than a drum solo at a rock concert? High blood sugar is playing the role of the cardiac conductor, orchestrating a symphony of palpitations like a maestro with a vendetta. It's like your heart's on a joyride, leaving you feeling like you've run a marathon without moving an inch. So let's slow down that runaway train and show those blood sugar levels who's boss. 9. Recurrent yeast infections. Are yeast infections popping up more frequently than weeds in a neglected garden? High blood sugar is playing the role of the yeast whisperer, creating the perfect environment for those pesky fungi to flourish. It's like your body's become a bakery for unwanted guests, leaving you feeling like you've got a never-ending itch. So let's put an end to this fungal fiesta and show those blood sugar levels who's boss. 8. Erectile dysfunction. Gentlemen, is your flagpole feeling more like a wilted flower than a proud oak tree? High blood sugar is playing the role of the libido larcenist, stealing your mojo like a thief in the night. It's like your manhood's gone on a sabbatical, leaving you feeling more deflated than a popped balloon. So let's pump up the volume and show those blood sugar levels who's boss. 7. Irregular menstrual cycles. Ladies, are your monthly cycles more unpredictable than a soap opera plot twist? High blood sugar is playing the role of the hormonal havoc wreaker, throwing your cycle into chaos like a tornado in a trailer park. It's like your uterus has declared independence, leaving you feeling more frazzled than a kitten in a room full of yarn. So let's restore order to the hormonal kingdom and show those blood sugar levels who's boss. 6. Brain fog. Feeling more scattered than a flock of pigeons in a thunderstorm? High blood sugar is playing the role of the cognitive cloud, fogging up your thoughts like a dense mist rolling in from the sea. It's like your brain's taking a siesta, leaving you feeling more forgetful than a goldfish with short-term memory loss. So let's clear the air and show those blood sugar levels who's boss. 5. Muscle weakness. Are your muscles feeling weaker than a kitten in a hurricane? High blood sugar's playing the role of the strength saboteur, sapping your power like a vampire at a blood bank. It's like your muscles have declared mutiny, leaving you feeling more feeble than a noodle in a soup bowl. So let's flex those muscles and show those blood sugar levels who's boss. 4. Increased heart rate. Is your heart racing faster than a cheetah on caffeine? High blood sugar is playing the role of the cardiac speedster, revving up your ticker like a race car at the Indy 500. It's like your heart's on a thrill ride, leaving you feeling more breathless than a marathon runner at the finish line. So let's put the brakes on that runaway heart and show those blood sugar levels who's boss. 3. Difficulty concentrating. Feeling more scattered than confetti at a parade? High blood sugar is playing the role of the concentration con artist, stealing your focus like a magician with a disappearing act. It's like your brain's on strike, leaving you feeling more lost than a GPS in a dead zone. So let's sharpen those mental pencils and show those blood sugar levels who's boss. 2. Dental issues. Are your teeth feeling more sensitive than a teenager at a family reunion? High blood sugar is playing the role of the dental daredevil, wreaking havoc on your pearly whites like a wrecking ball in a china shop. It's like your mouth staging a rebellion, leaving you feeling more toothless than a granny without her dentures. So let's brush away those dental demons and show those blood sugar levels who's boss. 1. Vision changes. Seeing the world through rose-colored glasses? High blood sugar is playing the role of the optical illusionist, distorting your vision like a funhouse mirror at the carnival. It's like your eyes have gone rogue, leaving you feeling more nearsighted than a mole in a cave. So let's clear up that blurred vision and show those blood sugar levels who's boss. And there you have it, folks. 30 hidden diabetes symptoms that you shouldn't ignore. So if you notice any of these sneaky signs, don't brush them off like yesterday's leftovers. Ignoring the subtle signals your body sends could mean missing out on crucial early detection and prevention opportunities. So listen closely to what your body is trying to tell you. It might just be the difference between thriving and facing potential health challenges down the road. If you found this video helpful, remember to share, subscribe, and comment below, and I will personally respond below. Check out this next video here. Stay proactive, stay healthy.